This is the Cisco ISR 800 series naming explanation. The name consists of three parts. First, the prefix, second, the product number, and at the end you find the product capabilities. The prefix could either be Cisco, which is a standard prefix, or short C. We use C either if it's the entire product ID would be too long, or this identifies the refresh of the original product, and it's also used for all new products that we come out with in this area. The product number, the first digit is always an 8 for identifying 800 series. The second digit identifies the family, meaning the 810 for machine-to-machine gateways. The 850 and 870 series are our legacy products, and the 860, 880 and 890 series are our current products. The third digit identifies the primary 1 interface type, meaning whatever ends in a 1 is normally an RJ45 Ethernet 1 interface. The 6, 7 and 8 are DSL interfaces, and the 9 is a wireless WAN interface, for example 3G. The product capabilities are listed here by technology. It could be for security reasons, for example K9, which identifies encryption software. Anything with a W inside would be a wireless LAN subcomponent. For example, and these subcomponents have sub-options like -A, -E, -N, -P for the regulatory compliance level areas they are used for. And the D identifies dual and concurrent wireless. Anything with a G inside is pretty much wireless WAN. Here we have sub-options as well for different service providers like S for Sprint, V for Verizon, A for AT&T. Also, the newer products now have the +7, which identifies the 3.7G, so it's HSPA plus networks. Or the latest ones use the 4 and before the G, meaning it's a 4G network or LTE network. We have more capabilities listed here. For example, DSL side we have VDSL and ADSL, and then we have the special NXM and NXJ units for these ones as well. On the GSH-DSL side, if there's no letter behind it, it's an ATM unit. If it's just an E, it's EFM, and the latest EA models have EFM and ATM support. On the voice side, we have software voice with Cube. We had hardware capabilities with SRST, but these are end of sale by now, and our current voice platforms all have the -V in their name. These have physical voice ports as well. Some special capability listings here. VAE has VDSL, ADSL and Ethernet, so it's a combination router. The F stands for SFP port. FSP is a special product that's pretty much built for service provider needs. And H, in the machine-to-machine area, we have 4 hardened routers. If you got just to be aware of some double meanings, it could be Ethernet or EFM. V, the most tricky one probably is V could be for Verizon, if it's used as a sub-option behind 3G or 4G. It could be VDSL, but usually it would be a VA unit in that case. Or if it's -V-, it would be a voice unit, if there's no G in front of it. The G could be 3G, it could be a sub-option for 3G, meaning it's a global unit. Or in the old units of wireless, we had the G notifying that it's using the wireless standard for the G frequency band. Another gotcha, the new C890s all have an SFP port, but we omitted the F because it's pretty much standard now. Here just a quick explanation of how our naming order works. So these are the attributes and the list on the order they are used in the name. A few tough nuts to show you how you can now decode the name. C890 is machine-to-machine gateway on the newer types. It's a hardened version. It has 3G and wireless. The 3G options are +7, meaning it's HSPA+. It's used on AT&T networks. And the wireless is used for American standard. All of these units have security software inside, so the K9 is pretty much behind every PID name. C881 identifies it's one of the newer routers. It's a short C. 881 means it's an Ethernet unit. GW, again 3G and wireless. The G has a sub-option -V, so this is a Verizon unit, and it's used on American wireless. Last one here, C887, so this is also one of the newer units with DSL over POTS. VDSL and ADSL capable. The sub-options for 3G are +7, so this is a 3.7G unit. And the wireless is used in Europe, so it's with E compliance level. If you need more info on the naming explanation, please go to cisco.com-go-800 series. There you will find a naming explanation guide where these and more abbreviations are listed. The exact link is posted here.